Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Pauline from Super Mario on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the ones I did is adjustments on, which is just the hair and the hat. Grab this hair and color it this brown. Grab this hair in only bangs, no adjustments made for that. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Z to 0.55, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.38. Then select this updo as well in the same color. Grab this hat in A42626 and 671818 in silk. Position the Y 0.55, Z 0.47, rotate the X to 0.51 and scale it to 0.33. Then for the outfit, we're going to grab this. You do need this VIP for the skirt. Select this color, red, A42727 in glitter. Wait, I think I did this actually. 671818. And then do that for everything here. Then we're going to grab this skirt because I know it's not long enough, but it's the one most similar to the one she's wearing. Then we're going to grab these shoes in black, in light silk, and then light silk as well in black here. Then we're going to grab the bracelet here, color it the same as your skin color in matte. Then color the second one this color, just a little bit darker. You can't really see the earrings, but you can put it on if you want to. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.